Hello, friends. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, we're going to do one of our CVC cut and paste. So, last time, this is the page that we did. We did car, jam, pan, and sub. So, the next page, we didn't skip any this time. The next page is this one. So, if you need to pause the video, you can do that till you find this page. Okay, let's take a look at our words. This first picture, look at this little boy. He doesn't really look happy, but he doesn't really look sad. I'm looking like he's kind of touching his tummy. Do you see that? And he maybe looks a little concerned. I wonder if maybe his gut is hurting him a little bit. Sometimes we call our tummy our gut. That is the word that we are going to say slowly and write down the sounds for. All right, are you ready? Get your stretching fingers ready to say all the sounds. Ready? The word is gut. G, a, t. Did you hear three sounds? I did. That's why there's three boxes, because there's three sounds in the word gut. The first sound, g, g, g. I might check my alphabet chart and see if I can find it. There it is, the letter G, like guitar, gut. So magic C turns to a G. And it's okay if your G kind of goes into the box below because it's a hang below letter. We've got our tall letters, our short letters, and our hang below letters. And G is a hang below letter. All right, ready? G, a, a, a. That's the letter that we learned yesterday in our writing. Who knows what it is? Did you say U? If you did, you're correct. We're going to do a lowercase u because we don't do capital letters in the middle of a word. U. So we go down, start to curve, back to the top, and then a straight line down. Letter U. All right, let's say it. G, a, t, t, t. What goes at the end? You're right, the letter T, like turtle. T is a big line down, cross in the middle. And I forgot, friends, we were going to use these to help us keep track. So I'm going to cross off the G and the U and the T. Now remember, sometimes when we do worksheets or we read books, they might have fancy letters. This is a fancy T right here. But when we write it, we're going to do a straight line down. Okay? Speaking of T, I think this next word has a T also. What number is this, friends? Have you learned that one with Mrs. Hawkeye yet? I hope so. That's the number 10. You have 10 fingers. You have 10 toes. Let's say 10 slowly. Ready? T, e, n. What did you hear first? T, t, the letter T. Big line down, cross in the middle. All right, and then let's cross it off down here. Ready? T, eh, eh. Those are tricky. That's one of those tricky vowels again. Let's peek. A says a. B says b. What am I listening for? Oh yeah, eh. C says k. D says d. An E says eh. I found it, like egg or elephant. The letter E. And this one, we're gonna do a little line over and then a magic C. Let's find the E down here, cross it off. All right, let's keep listening to sounds in this word. T, n, like nose. You're right, the letter N. Little line down, up and around. And here's the N right here, the very last letter. Mark it off. Okay, friends. Look at this. I wonder if you have ever had one of these, or seen one, or even heard of one. What do you think it is? Does your adult that's with you maybe know? This is a picture of a fig. You maybe have had a fig Newton, kind of like it's like a little soft cookie. They're pretty delicious. Fig. Let's say the sounds in the word fig. Fig. 3 sounds. Which sound do you hear first? What letter makes the sound? If you're not sure, check your alphabet chart. Or we can look down here. What letters do we have left that make the sound? I see it right here. It's the letter F. Remember, you do kind of a hook up and around, and then we cross in the middle. Fig. All right. I, like igloo or itchy. It's the letter I. Can you find an I down here? There's one. An I is a little line down and then a dot. Fig. I, G. What do you hear at the end? Do you hear a G again? There is another G. All right, magic C, up and down. That's how we make a G. And this last one, I wonder if you have one of these in your house. If you do, I bet you've used it to make maybe mashed potatoes or a delicious chocolate cake or maybe some bread. This is called a mixer. Instead of doing the whole word mixer, we're just going to do mix because that is what this kitchen tool does, is mix. Let's say mix slowly. Mix. The first sound I hear is Which letter makes the sound? If you don't know, you can use the letters that are left to help you, or you can use your alphabet chart to help you. The letter M, and here it is, little line down, and a bump, and a bump. The letter M. I. I hear the I sound like igloo again. That's the letter I. Here's an I, little line down, and then a dot. X. It's the letter X. We do a diagonal over and pick it up, and then we do another diagonal over. and they cross in the middle. All right, friends, now you will cut these out and glue them on your letters. Great job. I hope that these are fun for you and that they get easier every time we do them because you're super writers and your letters and sounds and handwriting is growing every single day. Keep up the hard work, friends.